Daktari wangu Dr. Daniel Gikonyo na ula ingine we daktari ula wa munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ki umundi ni waliana na mauvoma kana ni wathethe isi kumuvitha Gachagua sibitali ibindani ya ikwani ya kumungudhula kuma utongoine. Gikonyo eweta kwitha amovithie na kulia kuvika mbungeni ya Senate kukulwa makulyo ayithila mathuku itino kwendeka ailesi uthini kana witha athaukie kalata kilingisini kiu huyu mboka ikwanini ila yende vala Gachagua ukuliana na mutalatala ula wasangiye kumuvetanga kuma utongoine mwaka mwao na livoteso.
Takitali munene sivitalini wa Karen Dr. Dan Gikonyo ni umbula kana kavindani kalaula wa munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua asembiwe sivitalini ivindani eseso ya kuvetangwa kwake kuma ofisini aina maona nyuma wa kukunwa ningo. Gikonyo umbula kika vindani kala ivikite kotini wayo ulukunenga ne ukusi wake kwani nizila Gachagua wathakisye kotini iliana na kuvetangwa kwake kuma ofisini.
Paragraph 5 asks, based on my professional expertise, what do these symptoms mean? That, your Lord, is what I understood. My answer to that is that, based on my experience, those type of symptoms, depending on the probability of disease, which depends on your risk factors, would imply that you could be having a heart attack. That is my simple answer.
Mawakili mangaliko ya mbunge ya Senate memusukumi ya Gikonyo konani kana vandu vake kumuita Gachagua akitite kumuvitha tanzemwe ya kweke iseso ya kuvetangwa kwake kuma ofisini na vala wakai ya ndeto isu.
Is it not because this gentleman was in your hospital to hide away from the Senate? He was not sick. I put it to you.
Let me laugh a little bit first. But honestly, sir, if the question arises as to those documents that have been raised, if they are available, and if you are looking for justice and honesty, you can ask me to provide them. And it takes 2 seconds. They are here.
Dr. Gikonyo ni watetea movitu kanuma ukusi wake na muno maundu ni mamithina ila Gachagua wekalile sivitali ni vala waweta kanatiwe waitandiki mamovo kuelesya undu Gachagua ukwiwa.
The paragraph of your affidavit that talks of the 48 hours to 72 hours.
Correct.
That's paragraph 7 of your affidavit.
Correct, sir.
If that were true, it would mean this patient, and we mean patient RG, whose identity we don't know,
Which I can confirm.
it would mean that this patient would have been discharged on or before 20th October 2024. Correct or incorrect?
Or a month later.
Media coverage
Yes, Your Honor.
of this alleged illness.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you give yourself a press conference on this illness?
Yes, Your Honor, on demand from the press.
You found time to give a press conference, but you didn't find time to go and tell the Senate.
Oh, no. In what capacity would I go to the Senate?
Nilivotia vilingi wa muvoni toa mwaka mweu.